Warm welcome to everyone. Now let us discuss about tree traversal concept in data structure and algorithm. Class handled by Chitra ma'am. Binary tree traversal. A tree is a non-linear data structure which represents hierarchical data compared to arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues which are linear data structure. It is a special form of graph having only one path between any two nodes. Now let us see some of the examples for trees, which are represented in two diagrams. Binary tree traversal. First, we understand what is traversing. In simple words, tree traversal is the process of visiting each node in the tree exactly once in a some order. Tree traversal can be broadly classified into two types: depth first and breadth first traversal. Three possible ways in depth first traversal: they are in order, pre-order, post-order, and breadth first is classified as level order traversal. In breadth first approach, first we would visit all the nodes at same level. In a binary tree, it prints its node level by level, that is level 1 followed by level 2 and level 3 so on. Level order for this tree is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, L, K. In depth first approach, if we go to the child, we would complete the whole subtree of the child before going to the next child. The definition for pre-order traversal is: first we visit the root, the left subtree and then the right subtree. Let's see what will be the pre-order traversal for this binary tree. We know that root node is A, and well, we need to start from root node. We read A and next we move towards left subtree. Note that we must complete the full of left subtree. If it is completely finished, we can go to the right subtree. And now we focus on left subtree. B is the root of left subtree of A, and further we are moving towards left. We read D and next G. There is nothing in left of G. Then for D, left subtree is done. So we can go right, which is H. H has no left subtree, and then we are reading the right subtree value as L. We can move towards E. It is null and it will be read or print E. Now for A, complete left subtree is visited and we go for right. Now we need to go for right of C. There is no left for C. Moving towards right, which is F. There is a left subtree for F, that is I. Next right is J, which have left as K. And printing it, therefore the pre-order traversal is A, B, D, G, H, L, E, C, F, I, J, K. And now post-order traversal. First we visit the left subtree, the right subtree and then the root. Let's start from A. We first visiting the left subtree B. The step 1 is which being recursively traverse left subtree. Next recursively traversing the right subtree and we visit the root node. The outcome for post-order traversal is G, L, H, D, E, B, I, K, J, F, C, A. Now we can see what will be the in-order traversal for this binary tree. In in-order traversal, first we visit the left subtree, the root and then the right subtree. First finish visiting the left subtree. First is A, there is left, which is B, and there is D. For D there is left, which is G, and for G there is nothing in left, so we can read G. Now for D, left subtree is done. Here we go for right, which is H. There is right in that, so we are reading L. Now left of D is completely done. Moving towards B, there is right, which is E. Now left subtree of A is done, so we can read A. We can go right of A. If we go right, C. C will be read and next there is I, for which root is F, and K, for which root is J. Now in order traversal is G, D, H, L, B, E, A, C, I, F, K, J. Thank you for watching this video.